Hi, this is the CAD-CAM Lessons channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a part like this in FreeCAD. This part is just an example that I will use to demonstrate a specific FreeCAD feature which can be very useful in certain cases. We'll start by creating a new parametric part. First, we'll create a sketch on the XY plane. And here, let's draw a rectangle. The first corner of the rectangle will be at this point. And for dimensions, enter 100 by 70 millimeters. Okay. Close the sketch. And next, we'll turn this rectangle into a solid using the path command. Select this command and set the length of the extrusion to 30 millimeters and hit enter. And now on this face of the solid, we'll create another sketch. Again, draw a rectangle roughly like this. Okay, right click to cancel this command. And now we'll create a reference geometry. Select create external geometry command and select this edge. Okay, right click to cancel this command. And now let's add dimensions. Select this corner of the rectangle and press D key on the keyboard, and here enter 10 millimeters. Okay, again select this point and enter 10 millimeters for this dimension. And this command is still active, so select this point and this point, and here enter 10 millimeters for these dimensions. Okay, right click to cancel this command and select this point, and press V to apply a vertical constraint so that these 2 points lie on the same vertical line. Close the sketch, and based on this sketch, we'll create a pocket in this solid. Select pocket operation and set the pocket depth to 10 millimeters. Okay, and now I want to tilt this face, and we can do this very easily. Select this face and choose the draft command. And here we specify the face to be drafted, and then we must define the neutral plane. Neutral plane is the reference for the draft angle. Click this button, and I want to tilt this face relative to this one. Click on this face, but now the draft will go in this direction. Okay, and to reverse direction, select this option, reverse pull direction. And now the draft goes that way I want. So you define the face or faces to draft and choose the neutral plane, the face that stays fixed while the others are tilted. You can select multiple faces to draft. Click this button and select another face, and click preview button, and now both this face and this one are tilted. Let's another face here. Click select button and select another face, and click preview button. And now it looks like this. The draft has been applied. Click OK to confirm. And that's how the draft command works. It allows you to tilt selected faces relative to another face. In some cases, this can be very helpful and can significantly speed up and simplify the 3D modeling process in FreeCAD. As you can see, this function is very easy to use. Of course, at first it may not work perfectly right away, but if you practice it a few times, you'll understand how it works. The most important thing is to correctly define the neutral plane. So, as you can see, it's very easy to create this kind of draft. At first glance, this may look like a complicated 3D model to create in FreeCAD, but once you learn the right tools, it turns out to be quite simple. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.